Hello friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine and healthy and doing everything well. Actually, I was not fine in my previous days. I was ill for a week. I was on bed due to flu fever, some kind of cough due to the seasonal changing. And I was not able to make video because you know that I was making video on this channel consistently. I scheduled some videos and those videos helped me during my illness because during the illness period I was not able to make the videos, but the videos were consistently coming on my channel. So sometimes I make some video in advance, put them in schedule so that you will find my all videos properly. And in this way, I think that whenever you stop your consistency, you stop yourself while making the videos, then you will not be able to speak the good things properly. After the interval of some days when I thought that I should make the videos, but the topic was not coming in my mind because after some days I was not able to listen the English language videos or podcasts. So my consistency on daily basis was stopped. I think if you want to remain fluent or consistent, sometimes it happens that you fall ill. But during the period of your illness, you can listen the podcast, YouTube videos. You can save your videos of your interest, and later on, whenever you feel a little easy or a little relaxed, you can listen those videos in your that time. When we stop the process of learning or process of making videos, and after the intervals of some days when we start again doing that thing, our consistency was not maintained, and we are not able to speak in that way which we were speaking in previous videos. So I thought that today I should speak out on this topic because this is a very good topic, and I experienced this topic in this time of my illness, because I was making some videos for my other channel, and for that channel I was out of my studio, and you know that winter season is going on, and here is cold, and due to cold I become the victims of some illness. So whenever you becomes the victims of anything, you may fall ill, you may busy in your some other activities, you may go to some funerals, to some marriage parties, to anywhere you can be busy. For that you should be prepared. I think that make some videos in advance so that your viewers, your listeners could not miss you, and your video would come on your channel consistently. I was also making some videos in advance, sometimes not regularly, and I put them on YouTube so that whenever I miss to make the videos, my videos should come on proper time. And you know that on this channel I am talking about English learning, English speaking skills, how we can improve the English language, because when we regularly improve ourselves, regularly do the tries, practice on daily basis. When you quit the practice, then it will become a little difficult for you to maintain yourself in that race properly. I think that consistency is main thing. As you know that whenever you go to school and if you don't go for 2 days, the lessons of those 2 days you missed, you will never gain that lesson in proper way, and teacher will not teach you in that sense, because when teacher is teaching the lesson to the whole class, he teaches with full enthusiasm, but when you miss the class, that those subject you will be weak in those subject for the long time. So I think that don't miss your lesson, and if you miss due to some reasons, then try to improve that thing by your own hard work. If you are interested, if you do the hard work, then it is easy for you that you can achieve whatever you lost or whatever you lose. Actually, sometimes when you grow up, after the after you becomes older, the experience is also matter a lot. You get the experience of things. Whenever our older people tells us that do this thing in this way, this is not the good way, we think that they are cheating us, they are guiding us in wrong way. But those people who are really loved one to us, they talk according to their old experience, because we only read or listen, but they face the practical experience. So they were talking on the basis of those experiences they faced in their life. And I think that we should also get the lesson from our older peoples, and we should try to improve the things which we are in weak, because we are weak in lot of things, and we think that whatever we are thinking is totally right, and sometimes other may also be the wrong. But if you think that those people are very loved one to you and they are giving you some kind of advice, consider on the advice of those people, because they are the experienced people. After passing so many years of their life, they are talking about that thing. So always I think that if you are intelligent, if you are a good person, but your moral values are not good, you are morally corrupt, you can say that some people are very intelligent, but when it comes to the moral ethics, their etiquettes are not good. So we should try to make ourselves good in all senses. In this way, we will get the success, and we will also achieve our goals for which we are trying. I think that you find this video useful. After the intervals of some days, I am making this video, and still I am not much good, but I thought that I should put a video for you, because otherwise you will miss video and it's not good. And please, before leaving, subscribe this channel so that you never miss any kind of video on this channel. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.